Hello engineers. We will see how engineers can make a career in banking sector and in fintech industry. So we will see the different career path they have to take and what all areas they have to focus, and these are suitable for which kind of engineers. Next slide we will see that. First you have to choose your area of interest in banking. In that you can have different career path like tech in banking sector, analytics and AI, then banking operations and fintech product development and regulatory or public sector. So in this career path, if you are in tech in banking, you can focus on software and IT and cybersecurity. And if it is in analytics and AI, you can focus on data science, risk modeling and fraud detection and all those kind of things. So which all for which all engineers this is are ideal for, it's already given here, so you can just see that. For tech in banking, it's for computer science people and IT people and electronics and communication engineers. For analytics and AI, it is better for analytical and quantitative engineers. And for banking operations, that is they do process optimization and banking process, that is RPA. The focus area will be that, and it will be good for industrial, mech and electronics and electrical engineers. And for fintech product development, that is what they are focusing is mobile apps and API and blockchain, etc. So ideal for tech savvy engineers. And regulatory and public sector banks also, they have to focus for risk compliance and research and all those kind of things. So this is ideal for public service oriented engineers. So they have a different mindset they should have. They may acquire a different knowledge according to the regulatory requirements. So this is the different areas then engineers can pick up their career. And if you want to build banking and career, you have to make some basics in banking and financial sector. So what you have to do for that, you have to first understand how the bank function, whether it is a retail bank, corporate bank, investment bank, credit, treasury and all those, how they are working. Their working knowledge you have to make, and you have to learn financial products and core basic software, banking softwares you have to learn. And this generally come with when you serve with a bank. And study regulations, the RBI, SEBI, Basel norms, KYC, AMI, and all these kind of things you have to learn. Then these sources you can are available from Investopedia, RBI side, banking awareness books, ClearTax, YouTube, etc. So many sources you can get it now in any internet day and ChatGPT day. You can get all this kind of information in your fingertips as fast as possible. Only thing is that your interest, your aptitude for the same. Then you can go for technical upskilling based on a role, which role you want to take, like a tech and software focused roles if you want to take. Then you can go for learning the Java, Python, SQL, REST APIs, etc. Then tools like Finacle, FluxCube, TCS, Bank, NCS, and also can understand the UPI, NEFT, IMPS, API, and all this. What is this financial methods and all those things you can understand, learn about that. And about analytics and data science roles, you can learn Python, Excel, SQL and RL like that, and tools like Power BI, Tableau and SAS, and projects for fraud detections, credit scoring, churn predictions and all those kind of things. So this is the upskills which is required for depend upon the role you want to take. And some other thing, some more are in cybersecurity roles. If you want to do that, then skills like network security, penetration testing, tools like firewalls, SIEM, endpoint protections, and certification like CEH, CISSP, COMPTIA security, plus all these things you can do. Then for RP and process engineering roles, you can learn UiPath, Blue Prism, Power Automate, and concepts like Lean, Six Sigma and BPM like that. And for fintech products, fintech and product development roles, you require technical upskilling based on the role, that is to learn how app development to be done by blockchain and Razorpay fiber-based APIs you have to learn, and the skills like UI, UX, cloud, AWS, payment gateways, and all those things you must have the skill. So these are the few examples I have given here. Now in demand certifications also you can go for like certification from Google from data analytics and offered by Coursera, and also certification ethical hacker, NISM and CFM, UiPath, RPA developer, digital banking certificate, CFA level 1, and all those kind of certifications are available, and different fields it's useful like analytics, cyber security, financial market automation, banking tech, investment banking, all those areas, and different people who offering this kind of courses also given here like Coursera, EC Council, NSC, UiPath Academy, IIBF, NIBM, and CFA Institute, like that, where from you can get this kind of certification. And when we go for the entry points, the engineers is that from private sector banks and fintech, it is bank like HDFC, ICICI, Axis, and Kotak, like that. Then fintech like PhonePe, Razorpay, Paytm, Cred, Grow. Apply for roles in IT, analytics, product, and cybersecurity. This kind of roles you can apply. And other for public sector and regulatory bodies like SBA, PO, IBA, PSPO, RBI Grade B, SEBI, NABARD, SIDBI, through separate exam you can enter into the banking sector. And to build your own brand, that to understand many things, you may optimize LinkedIn with fintech and banking keywords, and also start a blog or YouTube channel on finance and tech, and can contribute to fintech communities and attend webinars, so you can make some networks and get into the financial companies and the banking sector. So this way you can build your brand, also can acquire more knowledge, also you can connect with the right kind of people, so you can go into the social media and other networking platforms. And bonus, I am giving some sample roles roadmaps here, like if you want to be a data analyst in banking, you can learn Python plus SQL, complete Google Data Analytics certificate, and do projects like credit scoring, fraud detections, apply for analyst roles in the bank and fintech. This is the way how the roadmap for a data analyst in banking. And if you have to go for cybersecurity specialist, as a cybersecurity specialist, study network plus security basics, earn ECH and CISSP certification, and specialize in fraud detection systems, and join banking security teams or RBI, like that you can join. Then for process engineer, learn UiPath and Blue Prism, certify in Lean Six Sigma, build the sample automation flows, apply in bank operations teams. You can that way you can get into the this particular area. So what the next step for you is, start today itself. Choose your track and upskill. Which career path you want to go, that career path you select, and then go for the upskill required. Pick one certification as a milestone. Build projects to demonstrate your skill. Apply strategically to banks and fintech. So this is the steps that you can take today itself to get into the banking sector, engineers to get into the banking sector. So I am very thankful to you for your constant watching of my channel, and I am here and work for engineers growth and happiness. So I hope that this information also will be useful to you and those people who aim for working in banking sector. Even though they are engineers, these are the opportunities. So the success mantra for you is that engineers who understand money, system, and people will lead the future of bank. This is very important, that because the basic things about money and systems, how it works, the financial system, how it's working, and the people, because money is come from people. So we must also understand the behaviors, how different kinds of behaviors, purchasing, buying, credit taking, and all those kind of behaviors of the people also you have to understand. And those people who understand, even though you are an engineer, it's very important, so that you can do very good in the banking sector as an engineer, because you may require all this information for different systems, different roles that you have to play in the banking. So thank you very much, and wish you all the best.